And I'm having fun and I'm happy and excited to see my sister here all the way from Haiti. Rutshelle, how are you doing?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you for having me today.
I'm very happy to see you here in Rwanda. This is your first time?
This is my first time and I'm so happy to be here. I love Rwanda already.
According to you, how is the country?
The country is amazing, but the people here are amazing. Like, I don't know what to say. I'm happy, and then I came here like yesterday or Friday. No, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know. We came here, and then I can't complain. It was amazing. I'm having a great time so far.
So are you going to come back, as we are saying?
Definitely, I'm gonna come back. Definitely.
People should expect what on your performance, because you are nominated and you have performance to during this night.
If you didn't know me, you're gonna know my name tonight because I'm gonna have the best. I'm gonna give the best of me tonight. So yes.
All right. So, according to you, having Trace Music Awards and Festival, it's about what? According to artists, what can you say about that?
It's about, for me, it's about the culture, because all the culture is here tonight, and I think that it's a great thing. So there's Afro, there's compa. I'm doing compa for my country, Haiti. There's a lot of genre musical right now tonight, and we all together. So I think the Trace Awards gonna put everybody together tonight, and I'm happy to be here.
Fantastic. You're looking fabulous. You're looking so beautiful. Who are you wearing?
Okay, it's a Haitian designer. Her name is Viviane, and my friend, he's a stylist. He styled me, but the dress is from my friend Viviane. She's Haitian.
All right. And a message to the audience who is watching us right now from Haiti.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you, Wanda. Wanda is wonderful. And then tonight, Haiti is here, and we're gonna have a great time together. Thank you.
If you don't mind, any a cappella?
See you inside. Bye.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Jen, it's a fabulous. Can you hear that? Who do you have?